We have got ourselves a crazy baby tonight. I'm trying to get her to do something on camera for y'all. Whoa. I feel you. Hi. What was that? Was that a bum? You putting your bum in the air, downward facing dog, a little yoga? Whoa. Over there. Did you see that at the side, everybody? Oh my goodness gracious. What else you got? Being gentle, Mama. She doesn't like it when I poke my belly. There was one. Say hi, Nanny. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa. One big kick for Auntie Cindy. Big one. Oh, hello. Bigger. Grandma. Oh, 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 oh. That feels so weird. What was that? Was that your arm over there?